Two-factor authentication not working on TurboTax Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on TurboTax, it can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to file taxes or access sensitive financial information. But don't panic. Most of the time, the issue isn't with TurboTax itself, it's something small you can fix in minutes. Let's start with the most common cause: time synchronization. TurboTax uses time-based one-time passwords that depend on your device's clock. If your phone's time isn't perfectly in sync, your codes won't match. Go to your phone settings, turn on Set Time Automatically, and confirm your time zone. Then open your Authenticator app and select Time Correction for Codes or Sync Now. If you're using Sims for fun but not receiving texts, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds, restart your phone, or switch to mobile data. Carrier congestion or temporary network issues can block those messages. Also, make sure your TurboTax app and Authenticator app are both updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can fail to communicate properly with the authentication system. If you recently changed phones or deleted your Authenticator app, your setup may no longer be valid. In that case, go to the TurboTax login screen, click Can't Access VA, and follow the recovery process. You'll be guided through identity verification, so you can reset your authentication method. Here's something most users overlook: always keep your backup recovery codes in a safe place. TurboTax provides these for emergencies, and they're the fastest way to regain access if your device isn't available. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on TurboTax, sync your time, check your network, and update your apps. These quick fixes usually solve the problem and get you back to managing your tax account securely and stress-free.